sa Michael Kors mismo. Dito.
Hello everyone. Touchdown in Geneva, Switzerland. This is the beauty of Geneva. The weather is very nice. It's not that cold. And it's Saturday. That's why there are a lot of people walking around the city center. Yes, this is. Actually, we are looking for the hotel. Citizens Hotel. What's the name of the hotel? Citizen M Hotel.
Saan itong Dumarsh? Yun ang Dumarsh eh.
Where?
Doon sa kabila.
Citizen M Hotel.
Ito yung Dumarsh eh. Ano ba ito?
Yeah. Keep going.
Not here. The Citizen M?
It's not that one, that building. Damn, no, don't go there. There is a tram coming. Good. It's your transportation.